Hi, this is Chris, and I really love my RYOBI little wet dry vac here that's 18 volts. I originally got it to use in my trailer because it's easy, it's small, and it was easy to store in the storage area. But I find out I'm using it for all kinds of things, especially if I have to go up the ladder to vacuum something or if I want to get into a small location. It works off the 18 volt batteries. If they're any bigger than 4 amp hours, they sit above the top of the deck here. Has the on-off switch. The hose sits in this tray, it clips in. It has several adapters. They clip in. There's one there, and then there's another one that clips in down over here. You can also use this as a blower by taking the one attachment and slide it into this output port, and then you can connect the hose here and you end up having a blower. It's kind of nice. The only accessory that it was missing was a brush, and it's nice for when I was trying to clean windows and things like that. So I was able to order that on Amazon. The problem is that there's no place to put the brush here. So I always have this brush here and it was always falling off. So this is what I've come up with. Here's my design for the RYOBI vacuum attachment holder. So there's a location down here that slides into the vacuum. Has these clips that help hold it in, and this area here still lets the vacuum's exhaust go out. Then it has 2 locations for attachments to hold on to, and then there's like a little space you can use as a handle to put in and push out the attachment. I loaded the part into the 3D printer software and sliced it. It looks like it's going to take an hour and a half to print. So it took about an hour and a half to print this on my Prusa 3D printer. I used the ASA material, so it's a little bit tougher and can go outside. My idea was to come up with this 3D printed part I designed that has spots for 2 different attachments to connect, and it's made so it slides into the output port, but it doesn't block the output exhaust. Here you can see the adapter has been slid into the output port, and you still have room for the exhaust to come out, but now there's places to put 2 different attachments. So I can store my brush here. So I put the 3D print file for this adapter over on the Thingiverse website and the Prusa print website. So if you have access to a 3D printer, or you can use one of the online services, you can have one made up for your vacuum. So have a great day. Thanks.